You know that supercharged fast food craving when you're practically helpless until you take that first delicious bite? Well, after watching his complete video, you're gonna ruin your diet. Again. Today we're here inside the fast food giant, McDonald's dedicated unit for those eye-catching behind the scenes. Practically, they collect ingredients from several top-notch suppliers. For example, from here they only import burger buns. So let's talk about them first. So it all starts with these huge industrial machines that are proofing the dough for around 2 times and punch down the dough again so it will be easier to carry around. Yup, now they're going to turn the proofed ingredients to light and fluffy dough balls. Look how perfectly they roll them up. A touch of dry flour gets sprinkled all around them to keep things streamlined. I mean, who want to watch sticky dough messing up the things? Am I right? Now, the dough balls are mechanically placed into their dedicated molds where they will rise again and get baked later. Did you know that every McDonald's hamburger serves up 250 calories, completely free from artificial flavors, preservatives, and color additives? Notice that egg sprayer and the sesame seeds topping? They are all set to get baked in the giant ovens. Yup, the ovens are so huge and well systemized that they manage to keep on baking the buns in dedicated time until all of them get their glossy golden finish. Yeah, I mean once the targeted baking part is over. Just take a peek at these straight rows of thousands of buns. It's truly impossible not to admire it. Now you will surely believe that McDonald's serves over 69 million customers daily across more than 100 countries worldwide, even though the recipe for McDonald's hamburgers has remained largely unchanged since they first started serving them back in 1948. Every safety protocol is thoroughly followed, ensuring they are perfectly delicious, and your burgers will come super quick on ordering. This meat has come from the happiest cows. Surely it's going to be super delicious. I would never know. I'm not a huge hamburger fan. You guys tell me, is it worth trying? Should I go for it at least for once? As they've gone super serious with the grinding process, they keep on grinding the entire meat until it becomes fine enough to proceed for further seasonings to add. Not much, but a little bit of seasoning is added, and it's churned again to get that smooth and rich consistency which is required for juicy and delicious hamburger patties. Thoroughly mixing helps the meat stick together better when they are shaping it into burger patties. Secondly, it spreads the flavors and seasonings more evenly, making each bite extra delicious. Once the patties are shaped, they will be kept chilled for a few hours, so they won't be damaged during transportation. Plus, they will lock the freshness inside. As soon as they get the green signal, they're packaged, keeping them safe from any unexpected twists and ensuring they stay top-notch until they reach their destination. No hamburger is complete without some extra pickles, do you agree? They're taking extra care to give these flavor bombs a thorough wash. Gotta keep things squeaky clean. But hold up, don't go overboard. They are super delicious, but you need to keep checking your health status too. So we would love if you maintain the moderation of such foods. So enjoy those pickles, but maybe not with every bite. They're just dunking those pickles in a brine solution to keep them fresh. Not only fresh, actually, the high salt concentration in brine creates an environment that helps in preserving the pickles and extending their shelf life. We have seen our buns, pickles, and patties ready. What comes next is none other than tomato sauce. It's a necessary ingredient to make the burgers extra delicious. But we will also show you how factories make mustard sauce for McDonald's, so sit back. Prioritizing cleanliness. First, the tomatoes get the full spa treatment. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about ensuring every tomato shines bright. These juicy wonders are loaded with fiber, ensuring no bumps in the digestion road. But wait, there's more. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, swooping in to lower the risk of chronic diseases and keep inflammation at bay. Check out the huge automation. It's pretty soothing. And if you like watching such videos, you've come to the right place. So, after the tomatoes get a good soak, they're carefully sorted by workers to remove any dirt or debris that managed to sneak in during the wash. Take a look at these massive boilers. Yeah, that's the power hub. These tomatoes are about to get a hot bath with the temperature perfectly dialed in. This steaming is also important to kill any harmful bacteria if still lingering to the tomatoes. Now they are cleaned and peeled for once and all. Why the second bath after boiling, if this sparks a thought? So it's all about peeling those skins off easily. Once they're soft, the tomato skins come right off, ensuring that no rotten tomatoes or leftover skins mess with the sauce's texture. If things are working out smooth for you guys and you're enjoying this video, please motivate us too, so we will happily create more and more content for you guys and keep you entertained. That's where these experts step in, fine-tuning every detail. If some peels have left behind these smooth rollers, make sure every tomato is bare, reflecting the inner flesh. A little sorting is needed just to make sure it's all good to go. Now these belts take the steamed and peeled tomatoes for a second check, where with the help of some labor, the cleaned and skin-free tomatoes make it to the grinders. Here the tomato paste is ready, which is collected in several bags to store the entire tomato paste so it won't go bad. Once the paste is all set to get processed, they take a bit out of it to first check if it's good to go. The vacuum pipes start releasing the unwanted gases and air pressure to send down the pure tomato paste, worth making the famous ketchup. The process has begun. First the tomato paste, then other essential ingredients to enhance its flavor are added and churned to make the smooth tomato sauce. Look closely. Those are the secret spices that go into your ketchup bottles and you crave for more and more with every cuisine. These sleek flask-shaped bottles are all set to get filled with ketchup. Those clever minds behind the scenes have ensured there's no mess or dribbling. Now, as these incredible machines seal each bottle tightly, see how they do it with precision, ensuring everything stays spotless and clean-cut. These perfectly applied labels on each bottle typically depicts all the core details like the brand information, ingredients, health facts, and some storage guidelines.